somebody who shot me is dead.
Alright, push up. Watch your right.
Friendly's up, come on.
Man down.
Oh, you scared the shit out of me, mate.
Hey, where's the... Oh, there's a flag. What's that flag? Already got that one. Alright. Hey, there's a guy. Hey, someone got shot when he was looking across here. Hey.
I know, I got it.
Hey, you're gonna run across my shop. Some guy was shooting this way, so...
I can see that.
Some guy was back there.
Man, come on, man, come on. Straight ahead for you, right here.
Right here?
Yep. Hey, you can watch out. There's another side of the wall.
Got him.
Nice!
Yeah.
Right here. Where's the other flag in here? It has to be over there.
There's one right.
Yeah, they're both red.
The other one's in this left corner. Watch right there, he's hiding. Here.
Over here.
Yeah. Huh?
You done?
No, I'm good.
There's some lockers somewhere. The heist thing is on top of one of these lockers that was over here.
You sure?
Pretty sure.
Keep your eye out then.
Gotta kill him.
The kitchen! One in the kitchen!
They're pushing us.
Sorry.
You gotta keep moving. You're past that one line.
I know, I was tasenating somebody.
You're good, bro. Thank you.
Well, you just knifed him?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I just shot him in the tit. Fuck. I feel horrible now. Deagle time. Hello. Saw your barrel sticking out. I was like, Well, we're pushing it. Oh, dead man. Ah, damn it, my throat. Yeah, no, that's why I'm walking away.
Spawn camping, guys! No spawn camping!
Oh. Wow, the Adam's apple. That hurts. Oh, that's gonna leave a welt.
Can't find it. You alright?
Yeah.
Dead grenade. Big grenade.
Really? Come on. Or don't take it. Nice, man. Good run. Hey, heads up. Bro, car to your right. Right in the left side of the windshield. Johnny, you want to peg somebody for me? I'm out.
All you gotta do is go from that count. Ready, go in the spawn. Go in your spawn, Ready, go in your spawn.
Oh, come on. That's ridiculous.
We were spawn getting him too much, so this is giving him a chance to breathe. The outside probably needs to be small.
I mean, this is what owner is this side. There was no way.
Did none of them even come out?
No.
Our whole team's out here. Hey, Zach, wanna hold that?
You want to push up ramp?
Sure, why not? Just checking.
Guys, outside's completely cleared. We need to go back inside.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Everyone push in.
Everybody keep your doors covered. We don't want them outside.
That's that door right there.
No, I can't go inside with you guys.
Get behind. Get behind. Somebody get behind. Come with you. Come with you.
Sorry, get out of the way. I'm sorry for shooting you in the face, man. Watch your hands. Get out of here.
Hey, somebody come with me.
Oh, nope, 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 move back.
Hey, he's far back in the hallway. He's not in there.
Whoa, you sneaky little bastard. Johnny, watch your right. Right window. You ain't running. Not that fast.
Hey, who's watching garage door?
Not me. I'll get on that.
Oh shit, hang on.
Weedle, 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 weedle. That didn't sound good. What was that? Did I just drop something? Is that good or bad?
You're safe, right, you?
Woo!
You two over there are dead.
That means you, I just shot.
Both of you two are dead.
Yep, both of you two are dead from the grenade. You're good. Nice.
Dead man walking in.
Yep.
Dead man walking in.
Dead man walking in.
Oh, sorry.
Go the other way, guys. Go that way.
Let him out. Let him
Go
out.
that way. Get your hand up.
Hand up. Hand up. What am I doing? I just want to be friends.
Yeah, I can tell. They definitely are hitting you.
What?
That is. I mean, even right now, he has his whole wrist exposed.
My ass is an open target. Yeah, if they say I'm not exposing myself, they can check the video. What was that?
Sniper.
Oh, that sounded wicked.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, here, can you put that?
Then you don't touch.
Thank you.
He's hit!
Hey, what's up, Brandon? Where's everyone else? Are they there too? Good run, man. Good run. Doo 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 doo.
Hand up!
Oh, dead man. Good shot.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Hey, you don't have to go hit the button. The game's over, you don't have to hit the button, so just one side.
I know. I gotta get my gun though. Excuse me. Woo! Johnny, I feel achieved. The enemy team hates me.
I know they do. Oh, I hate you when you run our team. On opposite team.
You know what the best part is? They bitched to the ref saying I wasn't exposing myself. And the ref's like, nope, he's sitting right next to me, he's doing it. Satisfaction. Where's my barrel cover? There it is. Pardon me?
This one.